name is Adler.
Where are you from?
Brazil.
And how long have you been here?
2 years.
Language?
It's awesome. Helped me a lot to be self-confidence. I can't talk now. I can't keep a conversation, and before I can't. So it's nice that Mr. Rina is my teacher. It's nice. It's have patience to teach us. It's nice. I need to learn to live here, to can have a better life here. But I want to work here. I have one business, and I want this business growing, and it's, this country is very nice. I'm dealer. Sell cars, so I buy trashed cars, and I fix it and sell.
Excellent. Well, it was very nice to meet you. Thank you for
Nice
the
to meet you.
interview.
Nice to meet you.